So we have another one. This is lava custard taro pastry, also from Taiwan. I like the packaging, so when I pass by over at the airport in Taiwan, Taoyuan, I just like, let me just have this one. So actually it's, you can see the label here. This product is winning in the market. So yeah, so let's try and have a look and taste this product. Mm, it's a little bit hard, I need to see. Yeah, Taiwan people likes to be organized, like you know the way they put the food in there. And again, since I am that kind of person, let's remove from the middle. Yeah, these people are prepared for this packaging. Taro, like literally taro cake. Okay. So I know this one is not for, this is not edible. They just put it together so that the food will not be spoiled. Yeah. So now let's try custard, lava custard taro pastry. Tastes like taro, right? Mm. I like this one better. I like this one because it's not very dry as the pineapple cake. This one, this taro is much better. And if you happen to both of them as well, you can let me know which one is your favorite, because for me, my favorite is taro. Lava custard taro pastry.